Hello, in front of me I've got Seat Leon. In this video I'll show you how to enable car Wi-Fi. In the beginning make sure that eSIM is enabled and then take a look at the screen display. Go to Menu, Settings and Wi-Fi. Enter infotainment system as Hotspot, connected devices, and here you can check connected devices, password and network name. Next, go to Quick Connection to Infotainment System, and thanks to this QR code, you can quickly connect your smartphone to car's Wi-Fi. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.